Hey everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the tracks on this Dolphin Cayman robotic pool cleaner. So I bought this pool cleaner back in March of 2023, and I have not replaced the tracks since. This will be the first time that I replace them. And this pool cleaner pretty much stays in the water 24/7, 365, and I run it about once a day. So what I noticed was that every couple runs, these tracks were starting to slip off the robot, and then I would have to go in and pull it out and put it back on. But you can see how loose they are. And then also, if you look closely, they're starting to crack as well. So moving on to the parts and tools required, you really only need three things. The first thing being the new set of tracks. I bought this directly from Maytronics, so it's an OEM part. And the part number for this is 9983152-R2. And there's a number of third-party options on Amazon, but after reading some of the reviews, I just decided to buy these. They've been working since, March of 2023, and I bought them for about $35, plus shipping and tax. So next thing you're gonna need is a Phillips-head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your unit is off. Either unplug it or just make sure that there's no lights on here because you don't want to turn on while we're doing this. So the next thing is you want to grab your flathead screwdriver, and then there are some slots on either end here where you can slide your screwdriver in and then pop these panels off. And that should just come right off. There are two clips there. Then you want to take your Phillips head screwdriver and then unscrew this screw. Take that off. And then this piece should come out like that. And then this whole wheel should just pop right off. There you go. And you can take that, put that off to the side, undo it from here. And then this is the old track. We'll go ahead and grab the new one. So we have the new track here. It's going to go on this way. So you have these raised areas here that are closest to you. We'll go ahead and slide the rear on first. That's good. And we'll take this wheel. Put that on. And then we just want to slide this wheel back on. There we go. You can see how nice and tight that is now. And then we'll take this this piece here, slide that back in here, spin it around, make sure that it's nice and tight. Take our screw, Phillips head, and screw that back in. And then we will take our cover that we took off. And then you can see that there are two slots here, and then right up here. Just want to make sure you line these up with that. You can usually line one up first, and then the other one should just pop right in place. And there we go. So that's one side. I'll put it in a little time lapse, and we'll do the other side real quick. All right, so there we have it. We have the new tracks installed. Actually, looking at these side by side, you can just see how worn out the existing ones were compared to the brand new ones. I didn't really realize how bad these were, but definitely glad to have them on there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to you. I hope you found this video helpful. And with that, thanks for watching.